Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you the newest floor plan, Eclipse Attitude. It's the 20 FBG. It's a 20-foot trailer with about 20 feet of cargo space. Let me show you how it works. Come on inside. So as we come in here from the cargo door forward, this is a new floor plan with a Murphy bed. So it's going to pop up, out of way, D-rings on the floor to tie up our stuff. This comes with the portable gen, little pocket next to the bed, plug in next to the bed when the bed's down in bed mode, or we can bring our cargo all the way from back, all the way forward. Pretty smart thinking on their behalf, so it makes this a very universal trailer. And then we got the queen bed. Curtains. Nice little bathroom. Toilet, shower, sink, vanity. So it's not a heavy trailer, it's pretty lightweight. Got the big fridge, storage spot up top, stove, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, overhead fan and light. Nice big counter area, nice big farm sink, overhead cabinets here, kitchen window, storage down below, little pull-out pantry here, the drawers here. This is going to have our bunk bed in the rear. It's going to have our couch that makes into couch with the table, or table moves away. This makes into a single bed. So we got one bed, single bed, another queen bed forward so it sleeps a bunch. We got the old Eclipse super comfortable swivel reclining chairs that we can use inside the trailer or take outside, use outside the patio area or the rear patio itself. This has the D-rings throughout the floor all the way through. Plenty of big windows, lots of cabinetry, lots of lights. Everything's LED lights inside and out. This unit's got air conditioning. It's got the stereo system. It's pre-wired for a television. We can put one in or you can get your own if you like, but everything's set up to hook up to a TV with the control panels all in one right there, so it makes it real nice. Come on outside, let me show you the exterior. So this little guy only weighs about 5940 dry weight, so very light for this size of a toy hauler. Power awning, exterior speakers, nice blacked out wheels to go with the graphics and the color of choice of pickup. The Zerk fittings on the suspension keeps it quiet while we're driving and keeps it lubed and greased while we're driving it. Good Gladiator tires, heavy duty. Rear stabilizers, rear patio deck. Pulls up out of the way. All LED lights throughout. Rear reflective graphics on the rear. Reflective tail lights. Has the pump station right here at the rear corner, with your fuel station engage, on-off button there. Fuel tank. Aluminum frame, fiberglass walls. Reinforced. You'll notice through here the framework is all got the reinforced gussets. Water heater. Hookup area down below. Freshwater holding tank, low point drains. So anyways, a nice little trailer, but lots of cargo space. Place up front for the portable generator to set up. Battery disconnect on the frame rail. It's got a basic kind of what they call a half-piece front end cap with the LED lights and then the rock protection up front and below. 2 propane tanks with the propane tank cover. And then a rack for 2 batteries. So a little trailer in a big package. So lightweight, a lot of half-ton trucks can tow it, putting the toys inside and it'll handle the load. Just another one of our Eclipse Attitudes in stock. If you have any questions regarding the Attitude Toy Hauler, make sure you ask for me. I'll make sure I get you the right deal. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.